All right, this is a Leon Paul epee blade. It has a new wire in it. I have tacked down the wire down here at the fort, and I have tacked down the wire right under the tip at the foible. And I don't know how much you can see this. It's pretty tight, right? Even just straight, it's pretty tight. If I take like a tiny little knife here and I try to move it, right, it's pretty tight. It's not moving very much, right? Okay, so I'm now going to try, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Oh, I guess not. All right, let's see if I can do a primitive zoom in and just move the camera. Huh, we'll see. All right, so hope I'm not making anybody seasick. All right, there we go. Maybe I'll do some editing. All right, so this is straight, pretty tight. If I bend it, so now I'm bending it. I'm bending it a considerable amount, right? So let's say like this, right? If I bend it like this, the theory is supposed to be that it gets tighter. But if you look at the wire, it's not tighter, right? It's just as loose as it was. I don't know if it's getting looser, but look, that's easily sliding away. Right here, I'll tighten it, I'll bend it some more. It's looser. I bend it some more. It's even looser, right? This is easy. I'm not stretching the wire or anything. If I straighten it up some, it feels to me like it's getting tighter, right? This is not moving as much as it was before. If I bend it a lot, it's getting looser, right? Why is this happening?
Okay, so let's say you have a metal bar. If the metal bar is straight, it's straight. There you go. If you bend it, then the outside part here gets longer, right? And the inside part here compresses a little bit, right? And the dotted line here is called the neutral axis. The neutral axis is the part of the bar that is not getting longer or getting shorter. It's staying the same, right? Technically, when the bar is straight, the neutral axis is in the middle, and then when you bend it, the neutral axis moves down a little bit, and I think the difference between those two is called the K factor, but we're getting to the limits of my understanding here. So the question before the court here is, where is the wire in an epee blade? If this is an epee blade, and you have like a V groove like this, right, and the wire is here, then definitely it's on the tension side of the neutral axis, and when you bend the blade, the wire is going to get tighter, right? But the problem is that a Leon Paul blade looks like this, right? The bottom of the groove is super close to the bottom of the blade itself, right? And the wire is like it's right like there, right? So as I showed, when I bent it, it either is staying more or less the same, or it feels subjectively to me like it's getting a little bit looser as you bend the blade, which makes sense, right? Because the groove is so deep, that the wire is so deep, that it actually is feasible that the wire is under the neutral axis and not above the neutral axis. Anyway. Okay, so if you want to do some more reading about this, I think the Wikipedia article is pretty good. It's pretty non-technical. It's got a little bit of math in it, but not a huge amount. And you can figure it out yourself. If you experiment with this, I think you will find that when you bend a Leon Paul epee with the wire inserted, if it was relatively tight to start with, it's not going to get tighter when you bend it. It feels subjectively to me like it gets looser. But if you want to bend it, it's your epee. Do what you want, man. There you go. Have a nice day.